The German language sounds are very different. I don't get it sometimes. Yeah, that's true because the phonetics are quite different in this language. Okay, and what's that? So, phonetics is the study of sounds in a language. Okay, and what does that include? That includes the vowels, consonants, diphthongs, and umlauts. Okay, and so the umlauts are the vowels in German language? No, not at all. So, umlauts are special characters in the German alphabets. Can you tell me the difference? Yeah, sure. So the vowels are A, E, O, U. The consonants are same as English. Umlauts are only for three alphabets. A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. And diphthongs are basically combination of two vowels which creates a different sound altogether. So for example, the vowels EI create a sound I. Okay. Hi, fi, my. Like raisin. Right, that's right. And the vowels IE create a E sound together. Okay. So it becomes he, fi, me. Like leaving. That's correct. And the vowels EU together create a OI sound. So it becomes oi, foi, and moi. Like Deutsch. Absolutely, that's wonderful. Okay, can you tell me some word pronunciation keys? Yes, definitely. The next time we meet, I can help you with some more interesting pronunciation keys. Okay, that's good. Yes.